I,
About you.
I want to know how you manage personal and professional both of life.
Then police came to our door, and after a few moment later,
That's the life of city. Yes, I know.
this is my plan for future.
Okay, okay, amazing.
Make confident on yourself. This is
Yes,
your duty to communicate way how you can make your track for kind of activity. I should think like I should prepare by my own. Every exercise is very evitable for English. In that serial, the girl use a word exaggerated tentative, and she instantly give the work to everyone. We can this word we can use it everywhere, because everywhere, even though our house helper comes to me, so
yes,
we
yes.
always use this word, love you, yeah, you made my day. But she was a ninth standard girl, and she was fighting with me, and suddenly we shared each and everything with each
She also right, you
other.
also right, but yeah. Yes.
We wore the same sari, and people were laughing on us actually, or people were mocking on us like, you are a twin, you look like a twins. Most of the people, they are
So it's a part of life. Yes.
and you know what, in front of me. So these are the things which we can do it.
Well, very good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking. What's about you?
I'm terrified. How's your day is going?
Yeah, going great. Yes, no complaints. What's about you?
Okay.
Yes.
Have you done your household chores?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Pooja Dubey, and I live in Delhi. I do job in Noida, and I'm a client relationship manager in Noida, a small company it is. And yes, this is pretty about me. And I have two kids, and I'm learning this language, and I have just started my journey before a year ago. Like I have not completed my 1 year for this journey. My journey is going on and off, so this is pretty about me. So
It's amazing. First of
great
all,
to know about you.
I want to know how you manage personal and professional both of life.
Look, if everything is very easy to handle for me, just because I'm doing same thing from since childhood. When I was in the fifth standard, at that time, passed to my fifth standard, then I came to sixth standard. Then I used to prepare breakfast for my brother and me. Okay, so I am doing these kind of activities since childhood. So this is not a very big task for me, and I'm not facing any obstacle during this time. So I can easily manage, because this is the easy
Yes.
cake for me, I can say. Yeah, and whenever I come to my office, I start my work like that. I take everything in a very easy way, so that whatever the work comes to me, I take it very positively, and I give my 100% for that. So whenever I do my household chores, whenever I try to teach my kids, so at that time I feel always very happy. Whatever the god give it to me, I take it as a very positive way.
Okay, okay, amazing. It means now all the task like your habit.
Yeah, these are my habits. That's why I'm not facing any obstacle during this time. Yeah.
Yes, yes. If yeah, some task is our in our habit, so that we feel not doing anything. Yeah, that is easy for us. Now I
Yeah,
also feel.
these are the activities which is going on, and every woman do that. These kind of activity, like they has to handle household chores, office work, kids, family. They have to handle actually.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Actually,
so can you tell me about your kid?
yes, yes, of course. Yes, I have a blessed with a daughter. She is 4 years old.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay, she's school going children.
yes, yes,
Okay, okay. She is a school going child. Sorry.
yes, yes.
Actually, I was not doing practice regularly. That's why I am feeling little bit nervousness, because video call is little bit different for me. Whenever if you will talk about on phone, that time I will be more comfortable. And even I'm trying to do these kind of activity. Whenever I go somewhere, I try to speak in English, and at that time I feel I should speak very slowly so that my sentence would be correct in front of everyone. So I'm just trying. Before 2 days ago, like 2 days ago, I went to the hospital. My father is has admitted in for some disease, so that's why he was there. So I went to the hospital and I requested to everyone in English only. I spoke English in front of everyone, but I know that was not the right place, because some of the nurses, they would never know about the language, because the in India, in Delhi, and so many schools are here, though no, they are not providing proper English format to the childrens. If they had done BSc, so we cannot think that they are very perfect and they are very pro in the communication skill. Government school standards were always bad, but right now it is going on good, in a good way. So I talked with them in English only, and yes, whenever I keep my mind calm, at that time I speak very correct. Or if I have any type of hesitation, that time I face little bit of hesitation, or little bit sentences framing structure problem. So this is the things.
Yes. Actually, you
Now
are a,
what I'm doing,
yes.
like,
Actually, you are a
you, you
very
know uh,
enthusiastic learner. I know very well, and I learn a lot from
uh,
you. Yes, not
yeah.
need for a nervousness. Yeah.
Now I'm in that kind of situation. Suppose if you, like, one incident had happened
Yes, yes.
yesterday in the morning. Someone had parked his car in the front side of the street, so we were not able to come out our car from the parking. So I tried to check out who is the owner of that car, but I was failed, and my husband was also failed to find out the owner name. I knocked everyone door to find out the owner, who is the owner of this car. At that time I called 112. Then police came to our door, and after a few moment later, the car owner came to me, and he was saying that this is my car. So I was thinking that how he is mad. How can he chalk the street? Because if you are if you are standing your vehicle in an appropriate way, people
Yes.
will face lots of problem just
Yes,
because of
yes.
you. So I said him, like, how could you do that, bhaiya? This is not the way to park a vehicle in an appropriate way. So he doesn't say, and he went to the car. He opened the car door and brought his car battery, and he installed battery into the car so that car could not be stolen by anyone. So he did that, and he started his car, and he went to the another place. And suddenly the police car came to me, and they asked me that you were there on the phone call. Then I said yes, I was there, and my problem has resolved, and the people was belong to my street, and I knocked everyone door. So very well that in Delhi is now the city, like, people are making builder flats. So most of the people lives in builder flats, so we don't know who is
On.
living here. We
Yes,
don't
yes.
have any interaction part. We don't go anywhere because I'm working. If I
Yes,
come
yes.
to my office, so what is going on in my street, I don't bother. Even though
Yes,
I
yes.
don't know, I'm not that much familiar with the house ladies who lives in their house, and who they have different talk and I have
Yes,
different talk.
yes.
I have all the other thing to share with them, but they have different
Yes,
stuff, so
different thing.
we cannot match with them.
Yes,
If they
yes.
are educated, that can be a very good bond, but if they are not educated, that there is no chance to make a bond with them. And I don't
Yes,
have time to speak with others, because I also live in a builder flat. So we have 8 members in that building. So we even though we don't talk too much, once we confronted to each other, then we will say only hi, hello, how are you, how's your kid, how's your life going on.
yes,
So these
yes.
are the things. One or two sentences we speak with each other, and that's enough. And we don't go any one house. Nobody comes to our house. So this is the thing. We live in a very separate zone.
Yes, yes. That's the life of city. Yes, I know. No one interfere. Yeah.
Costly
Yes.
right now. We cannot make up. We cannot purchase a land because land is not available in Delhi. You cannot find easily land in Delhi. And most of
Yes.
the
Yes.
people, they if they have their own land, they give the contact to the property dealer. They prepare the flat for them. If they don't have, if the owner don't have money, they give the deal to the property dealer. And property dealer, what he does, he prepare 4 floor in that area, and he will take 2 floors in his custody because he has invested his money, and he will hand over 2 flats to the landowner. Okay, so
That is the
this is the
business.
thing which is going on everywhere in
Yes.
Delhi.
Yes. Yes. That is the business. Yes. Yes.
That is, we can say that is the business. And
Yes.
I have lots of land in my village, so
Yes.
but
Yes.
this is the process. It cannot be possible there because most of the people, they have their own house, they have their own properties. No, but yes, this plan can be succeed just because when we will go to the hometown after 60 or say 55, then when we will go, we will definitely try to make the builder flat so that people can stay here, because we have 1,000 bed hospital in my vicinity, and school is also there, and the colleges are also there, so we can make that kind of plan so that student and teachers or most of the workers, they can stay there. And now this is my plan for future.
Okay. Okay. Amazing plan. Yeah. So your, I can say native place, not native. I think in-laws house that is nearby your
Yeah,
nearby the Delhi. Yeah.
they lives in Lucknow. They lives in Lucknow.
Okay.
Okay, so come to the
Amazing.
another always says that if you know about the background of the others, so you should not speak in English. But this is not
Yes. Yes.
actually. I heard from someone, one of my street girl. She lives in my street. So she used to come at my house, and she also used to say that Didi, if you want to learn the language, if your younger one don't know the language, you can speak just with him or her,
Yes.
so
Yes.
that you can make confident on yourself. This is
Yes.
your
Yes.
duty to communicate with others. If they are not able to understand, this is their
Yes.
perception. If they will ask in Hindi, then definitely you can share it with in Hindi, but you just try to speak in English, or this is the way how you can make your track for English.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Amazing.
And sometime it happens with me. If someone comes in front of me, I before 2 weeks ago, someone came to my house, and I prepared food for them, and I served. And when I was free, at that time I started to speak with her, and the girl is a college going girl, so she was talking with me, and that at that time I felt that I am using very correct sentences, and sometimes I used wrong grammar, like was, were, had these things I was using wrong. So if I will become myself calm, so at that time I will speak in a proper way. But
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
I
It
found it
is
one thing that
speak
whenever
slow.
I prepare my mind, or whenever I try give the training to my mind to speak, suppose if any incident is going on, let me check with my mind, am I able to communicate with them? So these kind of activity, I should think like I should prepare by my own. Every incident I have to work on it. Then I should come on the ground, so that I can represent myself easily, because every exercise is very evitable for English part, I think so. So these are the thing I am doing in my mind. Like suppose I create a virtual, like imaginary word in my mind. Suppose I'm going somewhere, so I think that if I'll meet anyone, how can I introduce, and how can I use my these sentences, or how can I use my this vocab. So I learned a word. Actually, I am fond of Pakistani serial, so I am watching a Pakistani serial.
Okay.
So in that serial, the girl use a word exaggerated, exaggerated, exaggerated. Exaggerated means बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना. So she used that word. So I just checked out with ChatGPT and I made the sentences for, like, yesterday some any conversation was going on my WhatsApp, so I used that word. Why are you exaggerated? Why are you exaggerating the things? That is very simple. So one incident yesterday had happened with me. Actually, I was asking about the homework because my daughter is not going to the school from last week. So what happened? She is not fine, so that's why we have a school group. So in that school parents school group, so we can ask for the homework or schoolwork. Everyone will be there. Everyone is there, sorry. So I asked work. Then a lady, she is very tentative and she instantly give the work to everyone. She is very helpful girl. So I said just I love you too. Like, she sent me work, then I said to her, love you dear, and I send him a emoji of kiss. So one of the parent messaged me, why are you using I love you in this group, because children are there. So I was thinking, then I said to her, listen, this is the word, this
Yes,
where we
yes,
can this word we can use at everywhere, because we love
yes, yes,
animal, we love human beings, we love
yes,
each
yes.
and everything, we love our clothes.
Depend
So
on
this is very
mindset.
formal word and we can use it
Yes,
everywhere.
yes,
Even though our house helper comes to me, so
yes,
we
yes.
always use the word love you. Yeah, you made my day. Whatever she is doing in my office, or whatever she is doing in at my home, so they are supporting me. So I can say I love you, yeah. So this was very simple word, but she took it in a wrong way, because I don't know who was she. So the argument was exaggerating. Then someone stopped everyone. Then do not argue with each other and just do your work. Then I went to her personal window and I said to her that I am a woman, I am I am a mother of two daughters, so I'm not a man. And I used that word love you. If you felt bad, so I'm so sorry for that, but my intention was clear. And love means we love
Yes,
with
yes,
each other. Okay,
yes, yes,
so why are you thinking about that? I'm going to another path, because if our parents are involved in that group, so everyone knows about the language. So after few moments later, I got to know that she was a ninth standard girl and she was fighting with me. And suddenly we shared each and everything with each other. Then she was agreed for that, and I convinced her that love word is very good word. We love our god, we
yes,
love
yes.
universe, we love air. So I properly give the proper chapter to her. I opened a chapter in front of her and she agreed for that. And she was telling, oh, sorry auntie, I was thinking that a man is talking in this group, that's why I stopped this word. So the incident had finished.
Yes, yes. Actually,
Yes.
depend on situation to situation. She also right, you
Hmm.
also right, but yeah. Yes,
Because I have seen, like, some of men are also indulged in that group. So most
yes,
of the
yes,
men make the conversation with the others. So that's why I was thinking that maybe, might be, she would be right at that time. I took it as
yes, yes,
like, I felt bad because someone is saying that I am using wrong word, and love word is not wrong.
yes, yes.
This is the depend on your mind
Situation,
upbringing.
mindset. Yes, yes.
Most of the parents always says to their children that I
Children.
love you
Yes,
beta,
yes,
love you
yes, yes,
dear. And they always says to their house helpers, love you, yeah, you made my day. So these are the things which we can share with each other. Love is everywhere and we can love with each other.
yes. That is
So
the mind broadened.
she took it as
That
wrong.
we, I can say, saw the,
Yeah.
I can say universe. Yeah, I can say outside of. So that time our mind. Yes, yes. Amazing.
So it happens sometimes. Misunderstanding can create a very big war in
Yes, yes.
between. Yes.
Okay, okay. Amazing.
So
And
where
you
do
are
you live
looking
actually? You live in
gorgeous.
Rajasthan.
Actually, you are looking gorgeous in this sari. Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the sari I brought from Mintra. Actually,
Okay,
what
okay.
happened one day, I used to do job in another company at that time. So my colleague ordered that sari, the same sari she ordered, and even though she gave that sari to me to for fall and pico, so I took that sari. I didn't see her sari properly, and I gave it to my tailor, and he prepared everything in that sari, and I returned back to her. Then later on, I was just scrolling my Myntra, and I liked that sari, and I ordered that sari. When the sari came to me, then my colleague said, "Oh, ma'am, why did you order this sari? That is also I already told you that I have seen this. I have already seen like I have purchased." She told me that she has purchased that sari in the same color and the same pattern. So I said, look, you are a girl and I am a woman, so we have different personality. You are a beautiful and young girl, and I'm mid of the age woman, so I can wear in my way and you can wear with your way. So why are you thinking about that we have same sari, and what will happen if we will wear on same day? So it happened. Actually, I wore that this sari, and she I always used to reach before the time. Like I used to reach by 9:30 at my previous office, so and she used to come by 10:30. So what happened, I wore that sari, and I entered
You
into
also.
the office, and I was sitting, and I was thinking that I should call to her that I wore that sari. I wore this sari. You don't wear this sari today. But what happened? She wore the same sari, and people were laughing on us. Actually, or people were mocking on us, like you. You are a twin. You look like a twins. Most of the people, they are giving compliment, or most of the people, they were saying you cheated her or she cheated her. So these were the things which happened with me. But
Yes, yes. This is also shoot on you. Yes, yes.
and before sorry, 1 month ago, I arranged a ladies kirtan. So I requested to everyone in my building that please come in sari only. Sari is a
Okay.
like code, and everyone has to wear sari. So people were, when the ladies came to me, they wore sari, and I was really happy to see that they obey me, and they like I am elder than them, so they obeyed me and they wore sari, and they made my day.
Okay, okay, amazing. Yes. Yeah, sometimes this is also it's a part of life. Yes.
And you know what the incident, like sir, Ram Gopalan sir, I think so. What was his name? Old
Yes,
man.
yes.
He
Yes,
belongs
yes.
to Kerala.
Yes, yes. I know.
Gopal Nandan sir. Gopal
Yes,
Nandan
yes.
sir. So whenever he joined to Priyanka, na, he always says that Priyanka, suppose you have a very good teacher and you had a very good memory of your school time. So could you elaborate all the things in front of me? So these are the things which we can do it. And in our last session, we had already word with you that we will discuss these kind of activity, whatever the topic we have. Suppose we are talking about the tea, so we will discuss about the tea. We will elaborate each and everything about tea. I'm not gaining too much just because regular practice. I'm lacking into
Yes,
it.
yes. Yeah. I can say consistency is very important.
Consistency is very important key for this
Yes.
journey.
Yes, yes. Actually, in
And they
my
always
case,
say that we should try the mirror activity, but I didn't try.
yes, yes.
Have you ever
That
tried?
feel
Have you ever
monotonous,
tried?
not that much. Mirror
Okay, you feel
activity.
monotonous.
Yes.
Yes, I'm also feel lethargic for that, for doing that kind of activities.
Actually, sometimes I do the short story and I record myself. That's I do often. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So you do these kind of activity. I'm not
Yes,
doing
yes.
any kind of activity. Once I get a chance to speak in front of the people, I can speak in front of them easily.
Yes, yes. I try to short
But
story.
today I'm feeling a little bit nervous, and I'm feeling I'm facing lots of problem to framing the sentences today, because this is very different activity. Now I left these kind of activity. Video session I have stopped just because I am really busy right now, because I'm getting lots of work, pressure
Yes,
in my
yes.
daily schedule. That's why
Yes.
I'm not able to connect with the YouTuber. But yes, I wanted to connect.
Yes, yes. And you are doing, I can say, the household, that also responsibility. You have,
Household
I can say,
chores,
many.
kids study,
Yes,
office
yes.
work, and simultaneously I am listening
Yes,
anything,
yes.
whatever comes on my way, I try to listen them.
Yes, yes.
But
I can
yes,
say you are
storytelling is a
motivation.
very good.
You are motivation
Yeah.
for all. Yes.
Yeah, but storytelling is very good activity. What I found in this, in the way, whatever the story I watch on YouTube or the movies,
Yes,
whatever I watched,
yes,
so
yes.
I always
Try
try
to
to
in your
explain
word.
it again.
Yes, yes.
In
Actually,
your,
I
in my
also.
words.
Yes, I have.
But
I
yes,
can
I
say short.
found it one thing. But I found one thing in myself. Like when I started my journey, at that time I wasn't able to speak. But yes, I right now I can manage easily. And
Yes, yes.
sometimes I feel like regularly now I have to keep myself calm. Once I will speak with calm, that time my sentence would be correct. If I am speaking in a rush, so that time my
Yes.
sentence would be wrong.
Yes, yes. It's happened with anyone. Yes.
So much for connecting with me and send me a request. Thank you so much. I'm really thrilled to talk with you, and the session is very good. I did
Yes,
my
yes.
practice, and really, God bless you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Lalita. We will connect
Thank you so
again.
much. Yes, yes.
There
Thank you
are
so
three for you, Lalita.
thank you
You're
so
very
much.
nice and very sweet woman.
Thank you so much. Give me your precious time. I'm always grateful for that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, Lalita.
Okay, okay.